Hi and welcome to my 7th Business Objects Web Intelligence tutorial, and today I'll be covering context operators. We'll be building a report like this, and we'll go over the for all context operator, the for each, the in break, in report, and then I'll be trying to create a meaningful variable, show you how you can use it in context operators in practice. Okay, we're going to start off by creating a new query based on the eFashion universe. And for my objects, I will select year, quarter, month, city, category, and my sales revenue. Okay, run the report. Okay, and I'll get rid of this and the title again. And I'll build a table containing year, quarter, and sales revenue. Okay, so the first context operator I will demonstrate is the for all operator. And let me build it first and then explain how it works. Okay, remove this. Okay, for all quarter. Okay, so the for all operator will remove a dimension from the calculation context. So in this case, I will remove the quarter dimension from the calculation context, which means business objects, when calculating this formula, pretends this dimension doesn't exist. So we get to see the totals for year 2004 and 2005 and 2006. The next one I'll be covering is the for each operator, and the for each operator will add a dimension to the calculation context. So let me show you how it works. For each sales revenue, for each city, okay, so what this one does is it will show you the maximum sales revenue for each city. And although we don't show city in our report, in the background as part of the calculation, business objects will show the highest amount of revenue for each city. The next one we're going to cover is the in operator, and the in operator will allow us to calculate a calculation context from scratch. And let me just show you how it works. And here I say sales revenue, and then I say in year, or I can select in year and then quarter. Okay, so just to do a recap, because these are the three main operators. For all will remove a dimension from the calculation context. For each will add a dimension to the calculation context, and with the in operator you can completely create your calculation context from scratch. So we've covered all the theory now, and the next thing I will try to do is show you how to use context operators in practice. So I'm going to prepare my report for this and insert a total for revenue. What I'm going to show you is the amount of revenue or the percentage of revenue that each quarter contributed to the total for that year. So I'm going to select my sales revenue divided by the sales revenue for all, and now we specify the dimension we want to ignore, and that is quarter, and apply a bit of formatting. Okay, so this, you can see here, this will show me what each quarter contributed to the total amount of revenue for each year. The last two context operators I would like to cover are variations on the in operator, and those are in report and in break. Let me show you. So if I select here in report, it will show me the total amount of revenue within the report, and you can see it's 36,000. And then we've got the in break, and let me drag that here, in break, and that will show me the total amount of revenue for each of the breaks. Okay, that's it. These are context operators, and I hope you enjoyed it, and stay tuned for my next tutorial. Thank you.